타만네가라는 말레이시아 최초의 국립공원이자 세계에서 가장 오래된 자연보호구역이라고 합니다. 오늘은 이곳 타만네가라 열대우림 속에서 1박 2일 동안 정글 트레킹을 떠나보려고 합니다. 한 10명 정도와 같이 간다는데 약간 모험을 떠나는 그런 기분이 드네요. 한번 가보겠습니다. 사람 겁나 많네. 우와, 다 가는 거야? Is it 2 days, 1 night trekking, right?
Yeah, one day.
One day.
Maybe we will split up into groups. Do you know in which group you are?
I don't know. How about you? You got already group?
Yeah, because we already collected the papers to group.
Ah, I see. I got a paper. Ah. Oh, that is my stuff.
Yes, you need the backpack. Wow. Money can settle everything. Go to see the girl inside the office. Rent a
okay.
backpack for 30 ringgit.
Okay.
Oh, K2.
This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ready?
예, let's go. 예, 출발합니다. 되게 다들 서먹고 어색하네. Yeah, right? I rent 30 ringgit. By the way, I'm Lee. Nice to meet you.
I'm Tony.
Johnny. Tina.
Hi.
Damien, nice to
Damien. Okay, I cannot remember all, but maybe after, okay.
Yeah, when you talk, I could like.
Oh, sini. Ikutnya.
Wow.
You ready with it?
How long? Yeah.
Then 6 months.
6 months.
Yeah. How about you?
A year and 3 months ago.
Wow, nice.
I really want to go to. You're from Korea?
Yeah, North.
North Korea.
Yeah.
No.
No, yeah.
And everyone is just like super open and liberal there.
Ah, yeah.
This for the 7-day hiking. And this 4-day 3 night, and this 3-day 2 night, and 2-day 1 night. Our trek today, here. Okay?
강을 건너서 보트를 타고 거기서 11km 정도를 또 들어가서 동굴에서 하루를 자고 그 다음에 또 이제 아래로 또 내려갈 것 같아요. 비가 많이 내리다 보니까 조심해야 된다고 하네요. 안전하게 한번 가보겠습니다.
Swing through the trees, swing through the trees with me tonight, my darling. Flow in the breeze, flow in the breeze with me for life, my darling. You can take it too far, keep it close. To me and you, let's make a toast.
This is etiquette
아,
for the canopy.
오케이.
Anyone here scared about the highest? Okay, if you're ready, go and enjoy the view. We meet again here.
Everyone ticket is 5 ringgit. 일단은 다리로 갈 것 같습니다. 무슨 정글 다리 같은.
Kylie, what's the name of your channel?
Backpack man.
Backpack Man?
Yeah,
Love it.
like kind of Spider-Man. So this one.
Yeah. We did it yesterday.
Yesterday we was on a trip, yesterday night, on the night safari. And he says, oh, you can see Black Panther, but nothing.
We didn't see anything.
Same mistake, you know, like just dark, just and phone light and just walking.
And just the dude driving and lighting the flashlight. Totally safe.
여기 숲속을 계단으로 이렇게 걷는 건가 봅니다. 되게 놀이공원 온 거 마냥 사람들이 다 대기하고 있네요. 재밌네. 이게 약간 균형을 잡으면서 take balance, take balance. 아, 오케이. Oh man. Oh good. 제가 알기로 제일 높은 정글 다리로 알고 있어요. 그래서 진짜 거의 나무 위까지 다 봄입니다. 와우, 이거 고소공포증 있는 사람 못하겠다. 경치 죽입니다.
Okay, we go by boat, continue by boat 1 hour and a half. If we do this activity, we a big family. Anything happen, we try to help each other. First, we run from the Black Panther. Second, we run from the elephant.
And for us, chance to see?
Chance to see, I can say 50-50.
50-50.
여기 표범이랑 호랑이랑 뭐 코끼리랑 이렇게 다 나온다고 하네요. 뭐 50% 확률로 나온다는데 엄청 위험한 순간이라고 하네요. 사실상 코끼리 정도는 좀 보고 싶은데 I want to see elephant, but it's
I
dangerous.
don't want to see panthers or tigers, honestly. An elephant, if he's hungry, you have to run really fast.
But we got snack.
We can throw them.
We can grow up and we can be a friend, right? Just
We can talk with
talking
them.
with them. Hey, I will give you.
Hey, it's okay.
It's okay.
We are friends.
We're friends, yeah?
Sharing is caring.
다시 여기서 배를 타고 더 안으로 들어가서 이제 진짜 정글 트레킹을 시작합니다. 오늘은 한 11km 정도 걸어서 이제 동굴로 들어갈 것 같아요.
And to make the good timing, we arrive inside the cave. Please follow my tempo.
Ready?
Let's go. Enjoy the park.
엄청 미끄럽네.
Okay guys, welcome to the jungle.
오, 시작부터 물속을 걷네요. 와. 아, this one?
No, the phone is there.
My phone.
Yeah.
Ah, thank you. Oh. Yeah. My room key. Thank you. Thank you. Ah. Why everyone not well like me? 장난 아니다. 허허이. What? Okay, I can go. I can go. My shoe is very slippery. 다 젖었네.
Oh god.
Alright. I will not go first. So still left river more. Okay. 시작부터 장난 아니네요. 찐 정글 탐험이네요. 정말 뭐 길도 없고 그냥 걸어가는 겁니다. 가이드님 따라서. 뭔가 거대한 식물원에 온 것 같아요. 진짜 엄청나요.
Nice. Yeah. Okay, so this is one. This is Dama from the tree. Okay. Get this one. You see the yellow color outside the skin there.
약간 진정제 같은 건가 봐요. 약간 향 같은 느낌으로. 냄새를 맡아보니까 약간 나무탄 냄새 나는데 그래도 조금 향기로워요. 향기로운 향초 같은 느낌? 오.
Okay. This elephant poop is still, I think, run a few months ago. Okay. And that's why in the beginning I tell you, totally our track, this is from elephant. That's why 50-50, sometimes we can see elephant on this track. You can use this one for the backup, for the support fire. But still always be careful. If you use this one to back up for the fire, don't smell the smoke. Because have the magic mushroom inside. If you smell it, you go to the moon. Fly. There. Oh, this is claw from the bear. We have small size like this. This is our special animal because they can climb fast to the top.
over
See the
there.
claw there. If you hear sound like a boop, prepare for the run. More than 50 meters is good. No time for run, climb the small tree. If you panic, you scare, automatic you can climb. But maybe from the child, you hear about some story about the bear. If you see the bear, you try to sleep. Don't do that in our bear. If you do like that, he can play you like a ball. And then he can be kill you.
No, we need you. 방금 본 게 곰발 자국이래요. 곰들이 남기고 간 자국이라고 합니다. 아, 이게 잘한 척하면 그냥 지나갈 줄 알았는데 그냥 열심히 튀어야 되나 봐요. 점점 뭔가 동물의 흔적들이 많아지네요.
So front of the rattan, you need to always be careful about this one. It can be stuck easy. See? This is a rattan. This one.
엄청 따끔따끔하네. You wanna try? Yeah, good. 엄청 따갑네요. 조심해야겠네. Are you okay? I'm already tired.
Sweating a little bit.
Wow. Have to be careful. Wow.
How was it there?
Bear.
I thought bear is falling down.
Falling
but
down.
Run!
Now we can get our friend, right? Wow. 이곳은 타마네가라 정글입니다. Damien, your left rack, your left leg, left. Behind, that one. No. Here, that here.
What is that?
Yeah, that one. Blood sucker. Okay. 역시 거머리가 엄청 많습니다. 그냥 막 달라붙네요. 나도 묻었나 모르겠네. Take a rest.
Take the rest over there.
Nice.
Second bottle. You haven't drank at all.
Just need one time.